So deep in love, where do we go wrong? I won't lie to you, darling. My heart is broken. My soul is.
What's up, guys? ASAP Fishing. Oh shoot! What is up, guys? Asapfishing1 here today with a new video. Today we're on Lake Chickamauga. We're going to try to be doing some fishing, and the lake is like really low. Look at that bank. Like in the summertime, it's really like up. So I don't know how it's going to be. We're going to be throwing some traps, some crankbaits, some jigs, just trying to see what we can get. Okay, we're gonna go pick up my dad at the ram. We're gonna get to it. Make sure to like and subscribe to this video, and we'll see y'all on the lake. All day. Okay, here we go, guys. We're on the dock fishing with some jigs and a trap. Eat the jig. What are you doing? Okay, we're just walking down this whole canal looking for some fish, and usually there's like an 8-pounder sitting here every time, and there's like 50 bluegill with him, but there is nothing. This lake is dried up, and there's Jacob over there. Oh gosh, yeah, Jacob's over there. He's kind of hung up. Probably can't see him because of the sun. But yeah, this little canal is dried up, and so we're just looking for some fish. Oh gosh, yeah. Okay, we're gonna go help. Jesus. Today was a long day. Wasn't that a long day? Yes. It was a long day. We got here at 11:30. It is 5:06. Not a single bite. Not a single fish. We throw jigs, crankbaits, rattle traps, and look how good these rattle traps look. Jacob, show me your rattle trap. Like legit, they have like little spinners on it. Like, what kind of bass wouldn't want that? See that? You can name a few?
The ones in here.
Yeah, the ones in here don't want it. Yeah, but it was a long day. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I know we didn't catch a single fish today, but I got some time-lapse videos in, and I'm going to add some fish that I've caught in the past on this lake, because this lake is a really good lake. And, like, don't, like, look at this video and think that I'm a bad fisherman or this lake's really bad, because this lake is amazing. I've caught big fish out of here. My biggest one out of here is like 7 pounds. So yeah, if y'all are thinking about coming down here, y'all definitely should. But just like right now, it's not really the best time, or I'm not really the best fisherman. One of those. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. We'll see y'all next time. Okay, don't leave yet, because I'm about to add in all the pictures that I've found from fish I've caught on Lake Chickamauga. I'm going to add them in there. And by the way, we're fishing at the Harrison Bay area, so it's not like it's the northern part of the lake, but at the south part in Dayton, it's awesome. So there's this place called Moon Slough. Oh, okay, I'm not supposed to talk about that. That's like our secret spot. Yeah, we've caught some good fish up there. Anyways, look at these fish.
Do y'all do YouTube videos?
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if you want to see
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Holy moly, where'd you catch that?
those docks down there. Caught that December 2nd.
Holy moly.
Then last night,
Dude, look at this. He caught like a 50. I swear it's like 40 pounds.
and last night I caught that.
God. That is crazy. What on?
Crappie head. We had fillets of crappie. That was a smaller one. That other one, he was a hoss.
Just over there?
Right over there on those docks.
Dang.
He was that's the biggest
Holy
fish I've
crap.
Caught it off the dog.
Yeah, look at that catfish.
That's a hog.
Yeah.
Holy
Caught him about a
smokes.
month ago. Caught that one a month ago. And last night,
How long did it take you to get him in?
it took me a while. Then last night, caught him on that. Caught another one. We caught some crappie that day. Filleted their heads off.
Use the head?
Yeah, put a 6/0 circle hook on them.
Dang.
Yeah.